How to change TikTok photo or cover photo thumbnail after posting. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you a couple of steps for you to be able to change your TikTok cover photo thumbnail after posting it. So, of course, the very first thing you want to do is to go into your Google Play Store or wherever you downloaded the application. This is to ensure that the process I'm going to be teaching you right now will actually work. Make sure to use the latest version of TikTok application. Now, access your TikTok app and then you just have to make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now, at the lower right portion of your screen, you should be able to see your profile. Tap on the current post where you would like to change the cover photo on. Tap on the three dots and then scroll down from this option and then go into edit post. From here, you should be able to change the cover photo by tapping in on the cover option. And that's basically it. That's how you change TikTok cover photo or thumbnail after posting.